There are so many hosting solutions available out there. How do you know which one to actually go for? Well, today we're going to put two of the best head to head and figure out which one you should be using, why you should be using it, and how it can actually benefit you and your business. Today we're having a look at Coolify and we're also having a look at CloudPanel. We want to know which one comes out on top. So let's check them out. All right, so we're jumping into CloudPanel now. So many clouds available. Okay, so you can install CloudPanel on Debian-based Linux distributions. It's specifically optimized for cloud server environments, and it's free to use with all of its features regardless of scale. That is a big one. It is simple, and it has a modern dashboard, which is ideal for beginners. So if you're just jumping into software like this, it's really, really easy to use. It also has streamlined domain and application management, and it also features built-in security features. It has integrated firewalls and IP blocking capabilities, which means there's no need for additional security plugins. You can also see that it has a high performance stack. So it leverages NGINX, PHP, FPM, and Redis for exceptional performance while maintaining low resource usage on cloud servers. It seamlessly integrates with major cloud platforms, including AWS, Google Cloud, and DigitalOcean for optimal deployment. And you can see that it introduced snapshot support, enabling easy scaling and backup capabilities for growing websites with its version 2. You can also see over here that it has a clean interface, which minimizes the learning curve for new users. It also allows common tasks, which are required with just a few clicks to complete. And it adds domains and databases to its intuitive and fast platform. You can build from the ground up with cloud hosting in mind. Also, CloudPanel delivers a focused experience tailored to modern web projects as well as deployment patterns. Okay, so having a look at Coolify, which is a self-hosted platform as a service that simplifies resource management. Its clean dashboard provides an intuitive interface for deploying as well as managing web applications. The platform is also designed to work seamlessly with both Docker-based and traditional web applications, and this flexibility allows developers to leverage the benefits of containerization while still supporting legacy systems. By abstracting away the complexities of infrastructure management, Coolify empowers teams to focus on more building great products rather than managing servers. The PaaS handlers tasks like SSL and TLS configuration, load balancing, and even scaling frees up developers to be more productive. It has a powerful API configuration. It also has CI/CD integration and role-based access. This means you can collaborate effectively with admins, developers, and even viewer permission tiers, which allows everybody to have the access that they need. It is a one-click application, so you can actually deploy WordPress, Ghost blogs, and even plausible analytics with minimal configuration. You can automatically deploy applications from code repositories with full CI/CD support. And you can run various database services through a consistent user-friendly interface. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, a software comparison. Now you can actually see what benefits and features are offered, and you can make a decision as to which one is best for you according to your own needs. My personal advice is to go out and use them all. See what works for you in a real-life scenario, and then make a decision thereafter. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.